So alright, we want to continue and perform the same experiment on using MANOVA, or rather ANOSIM. So we want to see how ANOSIM and Non-Parametric work on the same data set. So now we have in this, let's select this again to 10 as we did from the previous one. Alright, so we are choosing 10. Let's go to multivariate testing. Say one-way ANOSIM. So now we see that it's not significant as well. It's not significant, and R is too small. You see, it's not significant. I mean, there's not much difference. So let's select more and see if you can categorize more. Let's see if you can select more. Let's select to 40. And see. See, not significant. Okay. All right. So let's go back and test for also for. Let's test for MANOVA. See, not significant. You can see not significant. So both ANOVA and ANOSIM, MANOVA, they are not significant on this data. So we may need that. That means this data does not have much differences. Okay, not much differences between the two. I mean, the male is very close to female, and not much difference. All right, so we may need more data to actually see significances in this one. We may need more data. Maybe the data, if we have almost 50-50, making 100, you may see a good result on them. So, but this data may be too small to characterize them. All right, so let's go further to perform MANOVA, which requires our central size. So we're going to do that now in the next lecture. Thank you.